and welcome back. It is officially week 2, lesson 2 of Photography Fundamentals. If you don't know what I'm talking about, be sure to go to my channel and check out the playlist called Photography Fundamentals, where you'll find all the lessons, and each new lesson that's posted weekly will be listed there. I will also have some printables on my website that I will link below. Again, be sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of the upcoming lessons as we dive deeper into photography. So I hope you enjoyed the exercise from last week with exploring our aperture priority mode and working on depth of field. If you have any questions about the aperture exercise, I have a little video called A Study in Aperture that I will link below. And this week we have a whole new exercise, working with shutter speed. Now, just like in aperture priority mode, with shutter speed being your priority mode, the aperture will be set automatically by your camera. You may have to adjust your ISO depending on your lighting, just like before. This time, I want you to take the series of photos. I want you to see how you can use the shutter speed to your advantage to freeze action or get motion blur. Take a look at this video clip. The first exercise, I had him spin around with the water can. The second exercise, I just tried to freeze the water as it's coming out of the can. You don't necessarily need someone to do this with you. All you need is to find something that's moving and take a photo of it. Whether that's a car moving in front of your house on the road, or whether that's someone coming down the slide into a swimming pool, or a flower or grass moving in the wind. Work on bumping up that shutter speed faster and faster until you're able to freeze the motion. I would love to see your exercises and how this is all working out for you. Be sure to tag me at capture.create.explore on Instagram and use hashtag CCE Workshop. Thanks, friends. Have a great day.